When you get tired of the hustle and bustle of the life, then you go out for a walk to rest. Tourists will understand this very well. Walking is not less than a refreshing tonic in the terms of health. By this you will physically fit. Not only does it make you fit, but it also make you mentally strong. There is a communication of positivity in you. Today is such a day dedicated to tourism, World Tourism Day. In this video, you will know some special things related to the World Tourism Day. First of all, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. World Tourism Day is celebrated every year on 27 September in the world. This day marks the anniversary of the adoption of the statutes of the organization in 1970, paving the way of the establishment of United Nations World Tourism Organization 5 years later. Since 1980, the United Nations World Tourism Organization has observed World Tourism Day as an international observance. This day was chosen in 1970s as a day when the United Nations World Tourism Organization methods were adopted. These methods are no less than a milestone for global tourism. Every year a different country hosts World Tourism Day. Every year the United Nations World Tourism Organization General Assembly chooses a host country. On this day many events and programs are conducted by tourism departments and organizations. There are also various competitions like poster making, photography competition, essay writing extra held on this day. The color of World Tourism Day is blue. The United Nations World Tourism Organization believes that date for the World Tourism Day is appreciated because it's come at the start of the tourism season in the Southern Hemisphere. Tourism is an important part of our life. When we travel, we experience things that could never experience at home. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness on the role of tourism with the international community to demonstrate how it affects social, cultural, political and economic value of the world. Tourism has become one of the best upcoming sector in the world. With the time, the sector has undergone great diversifications and development and has now become the symbol of growth for many countries. This dynamic converted tourism into a key driver for the socio-economic progress. Around the world, it has now become the sector that is the main driving force for national income for many developing countries. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.